Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ripple is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, like I always like to start with. So we had this rally, which was great. We blasted through everything. Now we're having this pullback. Now, here's the thing. This looks like a double top. Now we're not at the top of the top of a freaking, a mountain like right here. Because typically you want to look for double tops at the very end of the trend, or at the very bottom for double bottom. So what this could possibly, let's see, so if this is a double top, if we have a pullback, we could go all the way down to 22 cents. Let's hope it doesn't get there, but it is a possibility that this could be a double top. So now let's just look and see, why was it that we stopped. We're stopping right here. So let's just move the fibs. I'm using this fibs from what, February 14 to March 13's low. Yep. Let's just change the fibs a little bit and see what they tell us. So if we go from, let's see, from June 22nd 19 to March 13's low. So this is why we stopped at the 31 cents, it looks like. So people were paying attention to those fibs. Now, trying to figure out why we stopped, in this middle range seems kind of odd. Let's just move the fibs a little bit and see if we can narrow that down. Alright, so I know why. So if we go back even further, all the way down to September 22nd, 2018 to March 13's low, then it looks like that 23% retracement, so the 27 cents, that's why we retest there. And this is a hard pair right now. Seems like stuff is not aligning very well. Let's go back even further. Oh, we're back to 31 cents. So I'm not sure why we're stopping in this middle of a range like that, right guys? Definitely not sure. So right, let's try this again right here. So that's why we got there, right there. This is such a strange thing. Well, okay, so if we go all the way back to freaking what, November 6th of 2018 to March 13th low, and then it makes sense. We finally figured out why we're at about 29 cents. So that being said, guys, and then it looks like right at 33 cents we're gonna encounter some resistance. So we just have to watch this very closely. I wouldn't do anything right now with Ripple, not at all. Let's just move this fibs back. Let's just, oh, they just look so much better like that. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Help the channel reach 7 billion people in the planet. Remember, we're here as a community. I'm posting these videos to help everyone out. We just want that's my duty, just to help everyone out, so everyone can make some shackles, so we can stop using the crooks, so we can stop needing the help from the crooks. So that being said, guys, and if you get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, if we break 34 cents and we hold, I think this is looking like a bigger double bottom, and we do have some potential to reach, what, about 57 cents or so. So we do have some way to go in Ripple. Like I said, I wouldn't do much right now. I feel like you're in this range. Let's just do it for fun. So if you were to place a position, right? The stop loss, remember guys, you got to do is when you place stop losses or limits or anything, a stop loss will be below the previous low. The previous low technically speaking, is at the 38% retracement of this swing high, this swing low. So that puts us at about 26 cents or so. And if you were to do a target, a close target of about 34 cents, your risk to reward is 1.9 to 1. I mean, for most people, this will be doable. For me, not so much. Remember, I like to have 3 to 3.5 and higher to 1, because then that way you can be wrong more often than not. So that's just kind of the stuff that you have to keep in mind. I mean, if you were to do the 61% retracement, that's still 2.3. So yeah, right now there's nothing to do. I mean, you just have to stand aside and then wait. Are we gonna pull back? Great. I don't, I kind of wanted to pull back so I can buy it cheaper, but at the same time, if we pull back, that might just help solidify that this is a double bottom, and then we're gonna go down to about 20 cents or so, and then more likely, depending on where the 200-day moving average is sitting, so maybe 20 or 22 cents. So it's one of those things that right now, Ripple, what it needs to do is blast higher, and either blast till we get to 34 cents and then have a little bit of a pullback to, to 31 and then blast even higher, or just blast through 35, because and then that's gonna solidify. I can't even talk today, guys. This double bottom, and then that will make it that target of about 56 cents. So this is the kind of stuff you have to keep in mind. There's nothing to do right now in Ripple, so just be careful. If you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.